Before I begin my lecture, it would be important for all of us to know over here what exactly is arbitration. Arbitration is an alternative form of dispute resolution. It's more informal than your regular court practice. By court practice, I mean including tribunals and the practice which generally lawyers have before the various high courts and city civil or district courts. So, an arbitration is the horse of this entire practice area. It's more informal in nature. It has a lot of party autonomy associated with it. So at the beginning of this class, I would like to tell you all that how a particular firm or a particular team, a dispute resolution in a firm, approaches arbitration mandates. So arbitration is often considered as the most quickest and the cheapest form of dispute resolution. I wouldn't per se agree to the cheapest part of it any longer because it's getting as expensive as any litigation could be. Post 1991, as far as India is concerned, in the post liberalization era, arbitration has brought about a sea change in the way commercial contracts are looked upon, the relationship of the parties are governed.